birthday.
Thank you. And I'm in my birthday season.
We didn't know you was gonna be naked.
Thank you.
Yay! Woo woo. 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 Woo woo.
Thank you so much.
So pretty too.
I
I don't know what it looks like. But we are definitely interested. I did get my phone case. I'm not sure if it's in there or not. I don't know. Got everything. It's the phone case. That's the phone.
I'm gonna get the case out first.
Oh.
Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Oh.
Is that it out here?
Oh, it's sorry. I believe this is gonna be something I can easily. But anyway, check out.
It shouldn't be. It's an odd box. It cuts right in. He said it's gonna easily lose it.
It's not gonna do the phone makes my house. That way, it's new. That's right.
We'll see how long that lasts.
They got this shit tight.
See, that's not too small. By the time you put that fat otter case on it, that's gonna sit up probably for him.
Okay. Whatever. Look great.
Well, here's the new Samsung S10e glass back on it. So we're gonna go set it up for him. There it is. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you. So right now I am transferring the data from his old phone to his new phone. So right now at 41%. So tick tock, and the clock keeps ticking. Hello, beautiful babes. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all, did you know that fall is only 1 week away? And I really don't have much fall stuff at all, so your girl needs to go shopping a little bit here. This is the wreath that I'm going to hang on the door. Now, I've had this one for so long, but now I'm just in the mood. I guess, you know, as you get older, you start thinking about things like this. I really haven't spent much time dwelling on the seasons changing. And now, you know what happens. You get older, you reflect, you think about things. And I know my mom was such a big stickler holiday time. She's going to decorate for every season, every holiday, especially when it comes to Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I'm gonna put my wreath on the door, but this is it. And if I get really creative, I plan on kind of filling it out a little bit more and adding some more items to it. But I didn't make this myself, y'all. I actually bought this, but I don't know where. That's how long I've had it. But we're gonna put this on the door today, and I'll show you that when it's done. All right, the wreath is hung on the door, and there we go, starting off fall, y'all, early. I'm already in the mood. I've already changed my nail polish to orange, and honey, yes, ready for fall. All right, now I'm back in the glam room / office. So let's see what's happened here. My computer had updated, so I've got to go ahead and I guess get everything back in order here. It updated to Windows 10. Okay. Right now, I've just got to get my song lists for this coming weekend. We have a show in Greenville, Mississippi. So I'm just updating my song list right now and get that done here in just a moment. Just gotta shorten it up just a little bit. So let me get that done and I'll be back to you. Okay, cool. Got the song list all laid out. Let me get in here and print this out right now. What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. It's actually the next day. I really didn't do much of anything else after the video you saw earlier other than go to rehearsal because that was my day. Pretty much it. So right now I've got to head outside and hang out with my doggies and get them attended to because my pups, you know, when it's hot in the summertime, it's a little skin irritation that one of them has, so I gotta attend to that. And I am of course, the veterinarian in the house. I have to take care of that. So let me go take care of that. And today I'm actually gonna be taking some pictures, some photos that I need to redo a mix album, well, a CD that I'm doing, which is some of my favorite songs that I'm actually going to sell at the festival this weekend. So I've got to go ahead and do that photo shoot basically here. Mike is my photographer, of course, so nothing extreme, but we'll want to go ahead and do that. And yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup, of course, today. So I'll probably, I don't know if I'll record that or not. It's just so busy today because the crunch is on, of course. Anytime there's a show coming up, there's so many things that I need to attend to. So, and keep on working because I do have some treatments that I need to share out there for my natural treatment folks. So y'all stick and stay. I'll be back shortly. If not today, I will be back. It's going to be more to come. So keep on watching the full video. Thank you so much, and I appreciate all of y'all. I'll see you in a little bit. Yeah. Okay, got that little chore done. Been outside with the pups and wash the patio area down. Next week, well, this Saturday, 21st, we'll be in Greenville, Mississippi at the Delta Blues and Heritage Festival. And the next Saturday is Mikey D's 75th birthday celebration. So we're just gonna be doing a little cookout, something small this year, hanging out with his family and the closest of friends, yes. And that is going to be about it. So, yeah, I look like a hot mess. It's time for your girl to get beautified. What you think? Girl, you need to quit. Woo! Yep, but I am getting ready to, Amazon's getting ready to deliver a little package that I have to do a review on. And I'm gonna get myself together and get ready for these photos. So, I'll see you on the flip side. Yes, I will. I'll see you in a minute.